Migraines are strong headaches that often comes with nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light. It can last hours or days. Migraines are different in everyone. In this video, we will be sharing one of the most powerful juice that will stop your migraine headache instantly. We will also provide the ingredients and direct you how to make this juice. So, make sure to watch this video to the end. The ingredients are kale, cucumbers, celery, apples, and ginger. Kale can definitely help prevent migraine headaches because of its rich magnesium content. Anyone who's suffered from migraines knows that it is one of the most dreadful experiences. It often involves severe throbbing headaches, or pulsing sensations, as well as sensitivity to light and sound, and even nausea and vomiting. These migraine attacks can last for hours, if not days, and usually prevent the individual from being able to carry out their normal routine. While those who suffer from severe migraines often use medication to get some relief, eating vegetables like kale frequently can also help to prevent these attacks. This is mainly due to its magnesium content, which can help release pain-relieving hormones, and also constrict blood vessels to increase blood pressure. Studies have shown that magnesium can be effective for many relieving symptoms. Cucumber can also be used to treat a headache. This is because it helps to rehydrate the nutrients in the body, and remove the contaminants found due to alcohol consumption. The cucumber's sugar, vitamin B, and electrolytes can reduce the severity of the headache. Eating a few slices of cucumber before going to your bed may prevent you from a headache. The content in cucumber water can also plays a vital role in alleviating headaches. Did you know that dehydration can cause a headache? Juices like celery juice provides hydration. Some individuals experience migraines because they are dehydrated. When there is insufficient water in the body, the brain contracts and this causes migraines. By drinking celery juice, the body will be hydrated, and the lost electrolytes will be replaced. Furthermore, because celery juice is full of water, consuming celery juice can be described as drinking water fortified with vitamins and minerals. Apples. Eating an apple on an empty stomach, or early in the morning is said to help cure a headache, as the fruit is packed with flavonoids, which reduce blood pressure and thus decrease headache pain. Apple is a miraculous fruit in antioxidizing process as well as aging in the body. Having apples regularly during breakfast helps improve your illness. If you are liking the video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Ginger. Ginger provides migraine relief as it can inhibit the prostaglandins from causing pain and inflammation in the blood vessels. Applying diluted ginger paste on the forehead provides relief from migraine. Take 2 tablespoons of dry ginger powder with warm water before the onset of migraine pain. Did you know that ginger snaps can perform the ability as a natural painkiller? It is possible since ginger owns the anti-inflammatory property. In addition, ginger can also decrease blood clotting, which can contribute to a headache. Therefore, we can take the health benefits of ginger snaps to relieve a headache. So, you don't have to be worried when you suddenly feel the ache in the middle of work. You can munch on a ginger snap from your office pantry and get a headache relieved. Here is how to make this juice. Ingredients: 1 apple, 1 medium cucumber, 3 stalks of celery, 3 leaves of kale, 1 inch of peeled ginger cut in pieces. Preparation method: wash all fruits and vegetables under running water to get rid of any pesticides or residue. Peel and cut all of them in long pieces. It is best to use a juice extractor to extract the juice rather than a blender, because no water must be added to this juice. This juice should consume fresh to maximize its benefits. It can also consume when you feel the headache or consume on a regular basis to prevent such attacks. Please keep in mind that while all these foods and juices may work as a supplement treatment, you should not stop taking any prescribed medication without checking with your doctor. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.